Okay, here's a quick update from the dark because it's late already and Ethan is sleeping. We just crossed the border here in Turkey, from Iran to Turkey, and that was something. Took us about 6 to 7 hours. The full X-ray and narcotics check with dogs and everything for our van. What we're through, shock. We didn't have anything. But yeah, so we're gonna do a quick drive to our what's it called? Camping spot. Yeah. We should have all facilities there, so it should not be good.
It took longer than the Banda bus crossing.
Yeah, this took some energy out of us for sure. So we might schedule tomorrow an extra day here just to recover from everything, and then only start driving again the day after, just to reset. And also because this place has got good facilities and everything, so yeah, we might take some advantage of that to rest up and yeah, then we continue. Country 2, some welcome, but yeah, we're here, so on to better times. Good night.
Good morning. We have woken up in Turkey. What a long night. As you would have known already, Alicia spoke a little bit about last night. We arrived really late. We spent way too much time at the border. Our own fault a little bit maybe. Not doing enough research on the actual border we were going to. But anyway, we got through.
It's not entirely true, because we did also have someone who was helping us over the border.
Yeah, we got in contact with.
Changed our plan.
We got in contact with someone that we were going to go to one border first, and then all of a sudden it changed, and it looks like because that border was closer to his house, which is a little bit upsetting at the same time. But he had to take a taxi back, so I kind of get it, but also like he caused us 7 hours at the border crossing. We got dogs sniffed, we got everything removed from our van.
Everything's a mess.
Everything's a mess. The way they check the vans is not the best way. They don't care about your things, which is what upset me a little bit, and I had to fight really hard not to react. Because you never know what will happen at the border crossing. Unfortunately, they have the power and there's nothing you can do. So anyway, we're in Turkey, we're happy. We've woken up in a campsite.
The best campsite.
The best campsite.
Right now.
Yeah, we have electricity, we have hot showers, we have everything just to kind of recover from a day like yesterday.
We can do a laundry here.
Yeah, we can do our laundry. They've given us a really nice fresh bread that we're gonna open up in Nutella. He's gonna spread Nutella, eat Nutella and bread this morning.
And it's got the best views.
Have some showers.
Lycan is welcome here.
Lycan is just roaming around outside, which is great. And this guy also had the best sleep. Say hi.
Yeah, I was a bit sicky.
He had a little bit of a fever yesterday, so we gave him some Panadol, and he broke his fever in one night, which is great. It doesn't like, you know, when a baby's sick, it's not
main medicine.
It's not fun for anyone. But now he's good. So yeah, today we're just gonna chill out, clean the van, make sure that we're ready for the next leg of the trip. Right now I'm gonna just show you guys what we wake up to, and then we'll catch up with you a little later.
You should clean up.
the next day.
I'm gonna shake it down. I'm gonna shake it down.
So can you tell us a little bit about the mountain?
Huh? Sorry?
Can you tell us about the mountain?
Well, these are the Norman fairy chimneys. I'm like huffing and puffing. We have to do this now. Okay. So here we are. We're at the Norman fairy chimneys. You can see these red rock formations right behind me. And what's so special about these rock formations?
Sorry about the wind.
Yeah. So we're at the Narman Ferry Chimneys. We're close to Erzurum in Turkey, and these rock formations were formed like 2.5–3 million years ago during the Pliocene epoch from volcanic stuff and sedimentary rocks. So basically the red color comes from the iron oxide that's in the soil, and throughout the years it was the wind and the water that basically formed all these rock formations into these chimneys.
Let me paint a picture. You and me collide. Colors get more visceral. It feels like we're alive. I'm breaking down, I'm falling. I'm losing my mind. Did someone spike this drink or did I?
So since a couple of years, Turkey has made this into a tourist attraction, which is very well accessible. We've got a nice park here, kids to play. Hey, gee. Sorry about that. Nice restaurant. My cap is going in front of my eyes. Hey, gee. Oh, I got the sneasel spot. Very nice dog. Hey, gee. Along the way. Dog friendly, so that's 5 stars in my book. Hey, gee. Okay, bless me. We're going to get back to our vans, get driving, maybe get something to drink first. Hey, gee. And then we are off to Tortum Waterfall.
Bless you 300 times.
Thank you.
Where's Ethan?
Ethan!
Oh.
Ethan, where are you? There you are! Oh, Ethan's gone again.
Look, stinky feet. Stinky feet.
There he is! Remember this? One, two, three.
Whee!
Wanna go again? Here we go. Say bye.
Bye.
Bye. Here we come. 1, 2, 3. Whee!
is Arun, everybody. The guy we were talking about. Joining us on this trip. Pet, where are we standing?
At the Tortum Waterfall. And I have no thanks.
Pet.
Three of you. Say something about the waterfall.
It's amazing. So sick. Intense.
What's that again?
Intense. This thing is splash proof, right?
La la